Please like and subscribe to our channel.
How you doing? What's up, babies?
Look at her.
He's cute. I want hair like her. Like that.
Wow. You can go put the baby to sleep.
Mommy's what? What baby?
Ew. Gross. You can go put the baby to sleep. We can go dancing first. Look, it's a new baby. We had a girl the last time.
Where's a new baby?
Look at this girl. She's so cute. She wants to sit down and eat.
Yay!
What's that tap on? This is like silly.
Yum, yum.
We're happy like
Whoa, they're dancing so much.
What'd you get? Huh?
The teddy bear is dancing.
Mommy, you can play with me.
Okay, I'll play both. Oh, they both doing the same dance. Construction site, here we go.
I have this one part.
You do? Oh no, it's a big rock that needs to be put in the dump truck. It's a bunny rabbit. Good job.
Me, Tappy.
Yippee. It's a bird.
Why he draw?
Because he went potty.
Wow. No, that was from his mouth.
No, it wasn't. He went. Ew. Look at all this dirt and dust.
Now it's gone, Mommy.
Go. Yay! Good job!
That's second for
He's
some.
working a lot.
Now it's gone, Mommy. It's gone.
We gotta go back.
Yeah, to make sure it's gone.
We gotta go.
Sorry. Go back. But can we do that one first? The bullhouse one?
That's funny. Oh no. Oh! Clean up crew, clean up crew, clean up crew.
Who's that one?